Hello, welcome back to another video. I just want to say in advance, I'm really sorry if you hear my fan. It's really hot in my room right now, so I have it on or else I might just sweat to death. Hopefully not. But today I am doing a highlight tutorial which was really requested. I hope the audio is okay today. I am doing voice memos on my phone this time, so I hope it's okay. So I take the brush, airbrush normal, and I go on an add layer. That's very important, add. And I just, you guys can see what I'm doing. Also, it's gonna look a little weird because this is an outline that I've already completed and posted a little while ago, but I just took off the highlights. So basically all I do, I take the brush on low opacity and I basically just blur. That's like all I do. I don't really know how to explain this, but yeah. And then I just duplicated the layer to do the other eye because I was really lazy and I don't feel like doing it, but I don't think there's any harm in that. So but yeah, basically the premise of it is just, taking it and blurring it out because that's all you can really do. There's probably like other techniques that I just don't know about. So, if you're an outliner and you have anything better than what I'm doing, please tell me. That would be great. And luckily for you guys, this is in regular speed because this only took me 4 minutes and less than 30 seconds. So I don't think I need to speed it up. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep rambling because I'm not sure what to talk about. But I did the same day that I did the highlight tutorial. I also recorded eyes, hair, background too. So 4 videos coming up. I think I'm obviously gonna stagger it because my posting is very inconsistent. So I'm sorry about that. Also, if you pay attention to the right hand corner, you can see that my iPad was slowly dying. But since I want to be nice to you guys, I was like, it's okay if it dies. And I also like to use the smudge tool and the blur tool. I think the smudge helps out a lot, but your goal is you want to try and make it look as realistic as possible, like they put on the highlight themselves, but like over dramatize it. But you just want to make sure that it doesn't look like too, like when when you post the outline or like you look at it from far away, it doesn't just look like a whole line. And then for the lip outline, I never really know what to do. I kind of just like, for the most part, I don't usually do like the lips. I might just do like that crescent part that you see, but on the actual lips itself, I don't do anything because I just don't know how or what to do. So oops, I guess. I'm sorry if you want to learn how to do those. I honestly, I do not know. But I hope this helped out, I guess. And then now I'm taking Dip Pen Bleed, and everybody was asking for these pens. I'm just gonna put them in the beginning because you guys asked way too much. And as I don't know, I guess I think I was one of the first people that actually started doing this. I actually started doing dots on the highlights, you can see, from like a long time ago, and I really never didn't see that many people doing it, or at least none at all. So I'm not gonna like take responsibility, but I think I don't know, so don't at me. But yeah, I just add dots. I do it sometimes, I don't do it sometimes I do like hearts or stars, but nobody really tells. So yeah. And I was gonna say something, but I'm just gonna put it all in the beginning of the video, so I don't need to worry about that. And I really hope the audio is okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Bye!